Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchekar Hauls and Reviews. From the thumbnail, from the title itself, you all must have come to know this is going to be a storage items from DMart. Yes, I went to DMart after almost 1.5 years and I got few of the storage items or maybe few of the storage things. I wanted to store something, and if you are smart enough, let me know in the comment section. I'll show you all the things. Let me know for what purpose I got all these things. Of course, these are basically for one place only. Let me know for what. Let me see what is your guessing, what is your judgment. Right now, before moving ahead, if you're watching, like if you are new on my channel and if you like watching hauls, reviews, new launches, comparison videos, then definitely you are at the right place. Please do take out a moment, consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it, there's a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. We can be friends over there. Right now, let's begin with the video. The first two item is basically for Arnav. It is not for me. It is for Arnav. This is one bowl. He wanted to have a good bowl to have some sweets or whatever. I'm not sure what he will have. This is a bowl. You all can see the MRP is 25 rupees. This is the size of the bowl. Okay, this is printed, right? And 25 rupees bowl. Then I got a leaf pattern plate for him. You all can see this is the pattern. This is for, you all can see the price, 69 rupees. I'm not sure because it is written very small. This is 69 rupees. And over here you all can see it has a separate section to keep chutney, achar or whatever. If you want to keep it over here, this is a bigger section. You can keep anything else over here. So of course these are not in pair, this both are different things, but then of course he can match it and he can have it. So basically these two items are for Arnav. Now whatever things I'm showing, it is for me. Yes, it is for me. I'm not going to remove it from the plastic because you can make out from here also. It is 4-section storage container or whatever. It is for 79 rupees. You all can see 79 rupees. It is kind of a pista green. MRP is 99. I got it for 79 rupees. It is kind of a pista green color. Right? 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not just, this is only one item which is in plastic, and that is why I'm not removing. Okay. These are the two, what do you call, for, I'm not going to tell you for what it is, but these are two kind of glass, bigger glass shape. This is the MRP, 39 rupees. Okay, here also it is given 39 rupees, and it is fully cut out and it is in the fluorescent green color. So I got two, same price, 39 rupees. So two, that was also like to match a little bit, matchy, that is why. And yeah, I forgot to tell you my lipstick. It is from Sugar. It is Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in the shade number 17, Gorget Grape. This is the lip color because I sometimes get lot of questions of which lip color you are having. So this is the lip color. I forgot. Right? Now these are the 3 different baskets. You all can see 1, 2 and 3. I'll just show you one. Rest all color are only different. MRP for this is 79 rupees and I got it for 79 only. There was no discount. You all can see here 79 rupees. Okay. This is a basket, small basket with a pattern, dotted pattern on the lower part, and top it is a full plain, and it has section like just to hold, if you want to hold and go somewhere. This is for that. So one is this color. I'm not sure which color is this, kind of blue, sea blue or something, sea green, sea blue, I'm not sure. This is the next color, grey color. Second one, same 79 rupees, and this is third, dark purple color, same 79 rupees. Basically purposely I got all this different color, otherwise I was actually getting only black, only this, but I wanted to keep little bit different. So these are the 3 next baskets from DMart. Next is this 2 baskets from DMart again. I won't repeat basket like DMart because everything is from DMart. This is for 89 rupees. You all can see. It's written here 89 rupees. This is some tag or something, and on the back also they have given a tag 89 rupees. This is basically a single sided, like you can just if you are putting it somewhere, if you are keeping it somewhere, over here they have given you to pull. Here they don't have, so only on one side they have, and it is kind of holes on the sides, square holes, and flat bottom, pink color. Okay, so I got 2, same, I got 2. So these are basically next 2 items from DMart, and these are 4 last items, 4, 2 grey color and 2 this. So it like matches kind of, but this is dark grey, this matches, this is light grey, this is dark grey. So just to keep it, and I'll just show you one of the tray. This is for 99 rupees. You all can see, I'm not sure, the price is 99 rupees. It is kind of cut out on all the 4 sides. Okay, and if I'm showing little bit in a hurry or something, then I'm so sorry, because I am not having judgment whether the camera is capturing or no, then I'm extremely sorry. This is plain, you all can see, and on both the sides you have handles to hold, and if you want to take something somewhere, definitely for that, this is for 99 rupees. So 2 I got it in white color and 2 I got it in dark grey color, so total 4. I'll just show you, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total 4 of this particular trays. I'll just keep it and I'll show you. You all can see all the cost of all the items are same, 99 rupees. Now you all will say ki Meghna, DMart is little bit expensive, you could have gone somewhere, some plastic person who sells plastics and all, you will get better deal. Of course I could have got better deal, but as you all know, we are still under lockdown and everything is not opened over here, and while going to DMart also we have lot of restrictions, we have time limitations, we have lot of restrictions. So keeping everything in mind, I went to directly DMart because there you have little bit more safety. They take little bit, like they check your temperature, they check here, they give you the sanitizer and everything, and it is little bit safe. So that is why I went to DMart. Of course you can go out, you can go to some plastic wala person, he will give you some better deals, but for me this was much better deal, because if something is broken or something, then even DMart also within 7 days you have exchange period. You just have to take your bill and take the article or take the item, and you can just get it exchanged, but the reason should be proper. It should be like broken, or it should not like, the reason should be valid. So you can go and you can exchange it. Whereas if you go out and you get it from some other vendor of plastic or whatever, he may not change it. I'm not sure, if he knows you then he will change it for you, but then sometimes they don't change, and that is why I went to DMart and I got everything. So yeah, I think you will like this haul. Don't forget to let me know for what exactly purpose I got all these storage items. I want to hear it from your mouth, right? And basically that is all for today's video. Once again, I just forgot to show you one thing. I'll just get that thing for you. Yeah, I'm sorry, actually I got this also. Now these are basically, I won't tell you. If I'll tell you then the suspense will be over. So this is basically anti-skid mat. That is what I can tell you, anti-skid mat, and the size is 45 by 129 or something. The sticker is there, the price sticker, and I got it for 99 rupees one, and this is also 99 rupees. Now you all will say ki why Meghna this color? Basically they were having only few shades in that. I like this color, so I got 2 rolls of this. So 99, so 198 rupees for this. Yeah, I forgot actually to get this while shooting. So yeah, I have actually shown you everything. If you want to ask me about any particular item or anything related to any item shown or any in general, you can comment down below, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't go without liking the video. As I always say, your one like encourages me to make 100 more videos. And yes, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.